Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you two ways how you can go ahead and reset your Windows 11 PC. Now if this is something that you'll find valuable, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I'd really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button so that you can join this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Now let me go ahead and show you how this is done. So on the Windows icon here in the taskbar, click on that and type settings, right? Go ahead and open up settings. Then from the left side, you want to choose systems, and then you want to scroll down to where you see recovery. If you don't see recovery here, you can simply type recovery in this search here where you have find a settings, and you will find recovery. So just go ahead and open up recovery, and then you will see reset this PC. If you click on this reset PC button here, you have two options, right? You can reset and keep your files, or you can remove everything. Now reset and keep your files this is in case if you have any problem with Windows and you just want to reset it entirely and keep your data, right? So you can import it back again. For example, selling your computer or you're giving it away and you just want to clean it entirely, you can remove everything, right? So if you click, for example, the first option to keep my files, it will go ahead and load for a moment, and then it will give you two options. You can cloud download your files, which allows you to download and reinstall Windows as well, or you can reinstall Windows from this device, local reinstall. Now once you choose the option, you will just continue and you will proceed to reset Windows, right? So all you have to do, guys, is just basically choose whichever option that is best for you and go ahead and reset your PC. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.